Hello, my name is Andre. I'm an SEO agency owner for quite a while now. And by the way, this is my agency. It's called SiteMile. The website is sitemile.com. We do SEO, we do marketing, we do WordPress, we do all kinds of stuff, e-commerce. If you want to get in touch, then sitemile.com. Get a price code for your SEO. Yeah, by the way, these videos are not edited in any way or form, so get used to that. I don't like to lose time. Basically, in this video we will talk about whether AI content is good or bad for SEO. I will give you the straight answer right away. TLDR. Basically, AI content is okay for SEO as long as you don't scale it. And what I mean by scaling it, I mean if you're adding, basically the issue is that these people that build websites with AI, they get very greedy. They want to finish the website in just one day or one go or one prompt, or just leave the AI agent work for 1 hour. Build like 1000 articles or 500 or something like that and call it a day, or just go and add 500 articles a day for several days in a row, and that leads to a content scale penalty, and basically Google penalizes your website because you have too much content right away. And not enough authority to support that huge content. Yeah, so basically my theory is that if you would have let's say 500 people that write an article or 2 articles a day for the same website, then you would have and publish it, and you would have content scale issues with that website. So basically, you can be okay with scaling the content of your actually using AI to build your website and to write articles. But again, you have to keep in mind that whenever you're doing stuff with AI and trying to automate, basically AI, when you write an article with AI, it writes a bunch of text with no images, with no headings separating the paragraphs, or I don't know. Most people do that. Even if you use like a very sophisticated prompt or a skill file or whatever, yeah, the results are a bit better, but the actual behavior is of users visiting that page. Let's say Google thinks that page is okay, and because Google doesn't really understand, it's only maths behind Google. So let's say Google publishes your website for a short period of time, obviously, and tests your website against people that click on your link, and whenever they see the link, they will see a bunch of text and they will go back. Yeah, they will go back, and then they will visit other websites because your article is only text, no images, no no headings separating a few paragraphs. I just wanted to show you an example of an article that's written purely with AI, which performs really well, has quite a lot of clicks. So basically you will come to this type of article, and you will see that let me check on Google Search Console real quick. I will not reveal it because I have other websites, customer websites here, so I don't want to reveal that. So basically you would come to this type of page, and you will see like a nice design, I don't know, nice some nice images, some good text, then some headings, and then I don't know, some or let's see this one. You will see that you have a good title, some images here, another image here, some text, another heading here, some text with bolded fonts, again an app image because it's about an app that's similar to Churro, another image, frequently asked questions, maybe you put some buttons here, I don't know, stuff like that. Then you will see that this looks okay. I mean, we are on the position, the position is very good. So yeah, I think this page performs well. Yeah, obviously we will need to wait like 2 more weeks to, or even a month to really understand what Google thinks about this page, but the first results are great. And this page was written with AI. Obviously, after it's written, then I go and check the page, I make sure all the information is good, add the images where it makes sense, correct the headings, do the screenshots here. I didn't have too much time to do the screenshot for each application, but the whole idea is to have something that the user would enjoy reading or at least seeing, and maybe answer their question right away if it's an article about apps like Churro. So probably I could improve this and put in the first paragraph a list of the first 5 applications that's similar to Churro, put buttons here, put more screenshots, and then the user would not click away after seeing like a bunch of text here if you're scaling with AI. Another website which it's purely done with AI, is just an experiment here. I built pretty much like a system where it generates these articles with an Ahrefs type of subscription that searches through the API for the right keywords to match the domain DR, so it's rankable for downloading automatically these pictures. By the way, this website is Astro, is not a WordPress website, but again, in SEO it doesn't matter what you're using. This is like a regular type of HTML website. Even if it was WordPress, let me show you another website which is this is WordPress, and this ranks very well. I'm gaining a lot of traction on this website, so it's performing really well. This is the website, so it's performing quite okay. Again, this is an experiment as well, but this is WordPress, so it's performing the same. Just wanted to show you that Google doesn't care about your framework. It cares about answering the query of the user very fast, and solving their query, and obviously displaying ads and stuff like that on their search engine. But yeah, AI content isn't bad if used responsibly. So don't scale with 500 pages a day. Just post like, keep it natural. Like, how would you create these types of articles if you were working without AI? That's the idea. And even with AI, if you're using AI to draft your articles, then you go pass through the article and see, actually do multiple passes and see what's good or not, or whatever. So yeah, thanks for watching. Again, this is my SEO agency, sitemail.com. If you need SEO services, these are my prices from my agency, but again, it depends on the type of website, your niche, whatever. Just get in touch, contact form here, and we can get into a call. I can do an audit or something like that. Thanks for watching. I will have other important projects like this one. It's already working. So basically this is a social media management tool called Shed Pilot. I'm using this daily to schedule content through over 40 social media accounts. Helps me very much. So I don't do just SEO, I do also development of these SaaS applications. You can also follow me on Twitter. My YouTube channel is very small right now, but you can follow me on Twitter because I have lots more followers here. Or LinkedIn, I have even more there. I also talk about SEO here. Yeah, 6.6K. Yeah, thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.